make this as a room. But ako personally, since I will live alone naman, and I'm single, ulit-ulit talaga sinasabing single. Kasi wala pa tayong ka-double. So this one, ganito yung design niya. Because I wanted to make this as an office. So parang open lang siya. Parang kung like, I have distributors coming in, no? Open lang siya. Malaki lang yung space. So, when we have a budget already, we're gonna put like, storages here. No? So, eto. So, eto naman. Open lang natin para mapakita. So, if you open that, kita mo sa neighbors. Tingnan nyo. You can say, "Hi, neighbor!" Kung nag-aaway si neighbor, sabihin mo, "Neighbor, tumahimik kayo!" Ayan. So, basically, this is empty as of the moment. Nilalagay ko lang siya ng aking mga luggages. So, we have a large, a medium, and a small luggage. Ayan. So, ready na tayo for our trips abroad! Yes or yes! So, eto na! Welcome to my bedroom! So, guys, yung door ko, hindi ko siya na maganda kasi bedroom mo naman siya. So, what? So, turn on natin. Ayan. Ay, wait. Ayan. So, this is our bedroom. This is our bed. I love the bed because it's memory foam, yung ano. Sabi kasi ni GMDOB, invest on a good mattress. So, ayan, this is a good mattress kasi naka-memory talaga siya. And pillows. So, ako na naman may isa, why did I opt for a bigger bed? Of course, law of attraction! Na in the future, you will have someone. Charot! And so, this is a full size. The size right before queen size. So, yung bed, it's Gemelina lang to. Mura lang yung bed frame niya. So, ayan. This one, diffuser. Ayan, you can muna pa lang ano. Anyway, pag tinurn on yan, it will change light. It will give ano. Ito yung emergency light. One time nag-brand out. Ayan, on mo. At may light din siya. Ayan. So, charge mo lang. Ito open to, pero pina-close ko siya kasi I don't want a window type aircon. So, for the meantime, mainit siya ngayon, pero ano naman, pag gabi, it's very cool. I even turn off the electric fan. So, eto yung curtains. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi walang light na pumapasok. So, it's really dark, no? Pag off yung light mo, dark talaga siya. But if you want naman na, ayan, di ba? Ayan. So, if you want naman the room to be maaliwalas, so you just open it up. Ayan. So, ayan, this is my cabinet! Nasira siya nung pag-transport nito kasi it's so big. So, they had to dismantle it. And then, again na naman. So, nasira siya nung pag-dismantle. So, those are my bags. Arrange siya. Oo. So, eto yung closet natin. Ayan. So, yung mga dresses, pants. Ayan. Yan yung mga pambahay, perfume natin, yan, Chanel.
Wow.
This is my favorite scent so far, but it's very common, I'm sure. Hindi kayo masyadong it's quite common. Yan, Dolce and Gabbana. Yeah. And yan, favorite ko so far. Tapos, this one, binigay ng lola ko. Mabango din siya in fairness. But it's very fruity, parang so mature-ish. Ganon yung scent niya. And of course, dito naman yung lalagay ng mga essentials natin. And dito yung mga Chanel! Ayan. So, this is our mirror. And eto guys, I so love the carpet because it's so like comfy sa paa. So nice, the carpet. Ayan. So, for the meantime, guys, I wanna show you board. I wanna inspire every distributor, every dreamer to really make a dream board and the importance of having a dream board. No? So, 2 years ago, I made a dream board and 90% of what I placed na pictures there really came true, and that's why I'm so excited na lahat din na nilalagay ko dito is mangyayari. No? So, I placed Hawaii. I've always wanted to go to Hawaii, of course. Holy Land. We're also going to Auckland. And then visa, yan. Travel. I wanna go back to Disneyland with my siblings and my parents this time. Of course, New York, Europe, Paris, London, Amsterdam. We're going to Korea kasi, of course, dapat qualified tayo for the Korea incentive. And we're going to Canada. Of course, we will visit our there. And I'm just waiting for someone special who will bring me to Siargao. Boom! 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 And ayan, that's me. Ito yung mga dream ko na properties. Diba? Oh, may mga ano dito. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung gusto kong car upgrade. It's a Montero Red. Kasi nung car ko, I also placed the picture and it was really the exact car that came true. And of course, guys, ito nga, gusto ko magkaroon ng twins. Ayan. Twins na anak. Yan. Tsaka, family. Yan. So, eto. For the meantime. Eto for the meantime, yung computer table natin. So, for the meantime, habang di pa talaga masyadong ayos yung office natin, dito muna ako nag-work. Ito muna yung working area ko. So, yung lights ko din, guys, change din siya ng mood. Ganyan. So, let's show them the outside of the neighborhood. Hi! I'd like to meet my dog. Come here. I'd like to meet my dog, Marshall.
Hi, Marshall!
He's like a Marshall.
Hi, Marshall!
Binabantayan niya talaga yung house.
Marshall is so like...
He's really my security guard.
Yes, so brusco.
Yeah. And I'll show you lang the...
And I'm scared of Marshall.
Come here.
Huh?
Doon ka.
Okay, wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Alright.
So we just wanna show them the neighborhood. I'll show this na naman the neighborhood. So, ito pala yung view ng bahay from the outside. So, ito yung
You can jog here.
Yeah, I walk every morning kasi kailangan ko i-walk si Marsha.
Yeah.
Hindi ako kailangan mag-walk.
Sana may
Si Marsha lang kailangan mag-walk. Ayan.
my neighborhood.
Yeah.
Your friendly neighborhood.
Ito na yung neighborhood natin dyan. So, medyo marami na rin yung mga nakatira dito, as you can notice. Yeah, and this is my favorite view talaga. Kailan na panulo. I'm just gonna like quick show you the neighborhood. Quick show you the neighborhood. the breathtaking view of Forever Home. Every morning, guys.
So nice.
Imagine living in this place, in this subdivision, and you wake up every morning na pagkakas mo while you walk your dog is the mountains. And every morning, guys, kahit na hindi umuulan, may mga fog dyan. Nagpa-fog dyan. And when it's raining, as in like it's really foggy talaga. And it's still 4 p.m. And tingnan nyo, di ba? Ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin at 4 p.m. When you are in the city, you cannot experience this kind of fresh air. Also, I wanna really love it is you are in the city, but you are like away from the city. Ayan. So, yun guys, just turning me around my neighborhood. So again, sana na-inspire yung lahat ng mga millennials natin na pala talaga kayong mangarap at lahat ng mga pangarap nyo ay matutupad. Basta, sipag, tiyaga, panalangin sa Diyos, and with the right opportunity. Because no matter how hardworking you are, but if you are not in the right opportunity, masyadong mahirap abutin yung mga pangarap niyo. So make sure that you are in the right opportunity. So, ito computer chair. So guys, I just would really like to share na everything, lahat ng nakikita niyo dito is talagang galing sa lifestyles. I really want to inspire, especially those millennials like me that and dreamers like me na you can really fulfill your dreams. That dreams really do come true, and with consistency and persistency in working with your lifestyles business, you too will make all of your dreams happen. So, I hope na somehow I have inspired you with the house tour natin. Hindi masyadong matagal yung house tour kasi maliit na naman yung bahay. So, with that guys, I hope I was able to inspire you. Kahit konti lang talaga. If you're watching this and you are still, you're still, hindi ka pa distributor ng lifestyles, you make sure that you ask a distributor and ask them paano mag-sign up sa lifestyles, paano bumili ng intra, saan makakabili ng intra, at paano makakakuha ng discounts, at paano gawing negosyo ang isang magandang produkto para mabago ang buhay mo. With that, I hope you enjoyed this video because I did too. Thank you so much! And again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Chatty Days! Don't forget to hit and like and subscribe button! Buyers! Enjoy! And again, of course, Intra is the best opportunity for you.
Intra. Get that Intra! Get.